This is another tray from Dollar Tree. Okay, so this one has been around and you'll find it in the crafting section. They have this one, like the square shaped one, and the circle one. And then they have these little tissue papers, to fit into your gift bags and stuff like that at Dollar Tree also. I got this for the leaf print. I did have a second thought and say maybe the polka dot print would look nice too with this, but I did end up going with the leaf print. I just like how it looks. So I'm gonna just take one sheet from there, and then you have plenty more. You could do like some other crafts and stuff with these. I'm gonna take some Mod Podge and I'm gonna give it a good coat with the Mod Podge around the top and around the back for this. So underneath. So I'm gonna do the top, a nice coat. You don't have to do it too thick. Just enough so that the tissue paper will stick down nice, but I'm going to do around the top and then around the bottom, and you don't have to wait for it to dry or anything because you want it to stick on there. And then once I figured out how much Mod Podge I wanted to put on there, I'm just going to place it, but I'm going to place it in a way so that I can overlap it because I want it to go on the top and on the bottom, and I'm just trying to make it as smooth as possible so it doesn't have too many wrinkles. For this right here, these trays at Dollar Tree, you can do so many nice things with them, but I'm just going to smooth it out. And then once I smooth out the top, I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to start working on the back of it. But this is real easy. If my original thought was I was just going to do the top and then I was going to do something around the edge, so I wasn't going to go over with this, but then I changed it up as I did start doing it. So I decided to go over with it once I saw how the print laid out. I liked it and I said I wanted to wrap it all the way around. So, but it wasn't my original plan, so I didn't plan out how I was going to lay this out. But if you want it to be a little neater, you can pre-cut it so that when you lay it over, it's not as chaotic as it was when I was doing it, and you have like those rough cuts and stuff like that. But I just cut off the extra because, like I said, I changed my mind mid doing it, and then I went over it with a layer of Mod Podge, just, and then I cut off like all the excess, and then I let that dry. And then once I did that with that whole layer there, I let that dry, and then I flipped it over to the other side. But you can see it's kind of like folding wrapping paper. You just want the corners to kind of overlap so that you don't have any gaps. But if you did, because the neutral color, you wouldn't really see them. But once it was dry and I flipped it over, then I went over the top part too with a layer of Mod Podge. This is me just showing. My original intention was to go around the edge with the gold trim because I thought the leaf print would look nice with the gold trim. But like I said, I changed it up and just folded it over. I went over with a layer of the glossy finish Mod Podge, and then I let that dry. And then this is how it came out. And this is one that I think is so cute, so simple. And you can do this in so many different prints using that paper.